What if the world's most trusted commuter bike suddenly looked like it was built for a mission? The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 in military grey is not just a color change. It feels like the bike has joined the army of style, strength, and reliability. The first thing you notice is the stunning military grey paint. It gives the bike a rugged and premium feel. The matte finish absorbs light softly, making it look modern and serious. Black alloy wheels, dark graphics, and a clean tank design complete this bold transformation. It looks simple, but powerful. The 2026 Splendor Plus continues with its reliable 97.2 cubic centimeters engine. This engine is famous for smooth rides and low maintenance. It is perfect for daily travel, office rides, and small trips in the city. The power delivery is calm, stable, and made for long-term use. Hero Splendor is known as the king of fuel saving, and the 2026 model keeps that crown. With excellent mileage, this bike is built for people who want to travel more and spend less. In times of high fuel prices, this feature alone makes it a smart choice. The seat is soft and wide, giving comfort even on long rides. The riding position is straight and relaxed. The suspension absorbs bumps easily, making rough roads feel smooth. Whether it is traffic, broken roads, or village paths, this bike handles it all. This bike does not try to be complicated. It offers clear analog meters, bright headlamp, electric start, and strong braking system. Everything is placed for easy use, making it friendly for new riders and experienced users. The Hero Splendor Plus 2026 Military Grey is not just a commuter bike. It is a symbol of strength, savings, and trust. If you want a bike that looks bold, runs forever, and saves your money, this is the hero you have been waiting for.